super loud.
Move the camera a little bit.
How's it going today? You guys saw the title. This is something I'm just going to film a video about. Super simple. About something that I've got to do. It's on my to-do list. I have two titles that are not back ordered. They're like 50. One's 56 days late, and one is, I think, like 40-some days late. And if you guys don't know, car dealers have 30 days to get their customers a title. So it creates a lot of frustration. So I wanted to make this video because I have two customers that keep coming to my door, and they keep knocking. They go, hey, where's my title at? And I go, God dog, boy, let me check. So then I call, and it's at the other dealership, because when they list it on this auction you're about to see, ACV Auctions, they don't necessarily have to have the title, there whenever they list the car at the auction to sell. It can be 30 days delayed for them too. So it can create a huge backup, and that's what it's done for two of my titles. So I'm going to call this number, put it on speakerphone, and show you guys kind of what the deal is. And I'll zoom out a little bit and show you my screen here. Let me call the number, and we will see what they got to say. I've done this about 3 times, so hopefully there is a good update. But this is just something I wanted to film because, if you ever wanted to get your car dealership or start a car dealership or get your license or anything like that, this is a huge thing that you won't take into account, or maybe you do, but it takes up a lot of time even after the sale. You'll have 2 to 3 cars or 2 to 3 customers that don't have their titles, and they call you every day, and you're trying to get it going, and you can't seem to get ahead. So I wanted to film this for all the people wanting to start their own car dealership. This is just things that you have to do. So here we go. I'll call them, and I'll put on speaker. We'll see where these titles are, because my customer's mad.
Thank you for calling the ACV Auctions Contact Center. If you know your party's extension, you can press it at any time. Press 1 for transportation. Press 2 for titles. Press 3. Please hold while I redirect your call to your account manager.
This is your account manager, Josh.
Thank you for calling ACV. This is your account manager, Josh.
Dude.
I'm in the office each weekday from 1:30 to 10 o'clock p.m.
My account manager
Please leave
has
me a
the
message
worst
and I'll
hours.
call you back shortly, or you can text me your request at my direct line of 716-262-8178. You can also press 0 now and wait for the next available teammate. Thank you.
Press 1 to accept this recording. Otherwise, please continue to hold. Message deleted. Please hold while I try that extension. Hello, this is Marley at ACV Auctions.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I have two kind of like angry customers about titles, and I just want to see an update. I put in like a request, but I'm just trying to stay on top of it.
Yeah, of course. What's the first auction ID?
Let's start with the Nissan Versa, which is 234-6712.
Okay.
It's like 60 days late. It's pretty late.
Okay. Yes, yeah. All right, I see you put the 48-hour notice. Let's see. All right, seller applied for a dupe title 2 weeks ago, and they just sent an email to the DMV for an update on that ETA.
Okay.
All right, so that one is in the works. We don't have that firm ETA, but they did apply for it 2 weeks ago.
So someone lost the title, they're getting a new one. What's the average do you know the average time for duplicate titles? Is it like 4 to 6?
Honestly, I can't say specifically because every state is so different. This is a Texas title, so I haven't seen any massive delays out of Texas. But I don't want to give you an ETA just because with COVID it is so all over the board.
Yeah.
But let's see. And I can't see specifically if it was lost or just what the reason for the duplicate duplicate is. But that is in the works. So they did file for that 2 weeks ago, which is definitely a good sign.
Okay.
All right. And
Now,
then, yes, the other auction ID?
yeah, so this is a 06 Equinox. Let me find this.
Okay.
Right here, right here. 240 6705.
All right, so yesterday morning, the title clerk from the seller did call in and let us know that this title just came in, and they're getting it sent to us today, i.e. that was yesterday. So we should have that today. So as soon as we receive that today, you'll actually see in-app that we have the title received. So that should be out to you. I would say once it's reviewed, by Monday or Tuesday, you should have that.
Is there a way it can be like almost overnighted or no?
Oh yeah, it's always a FedEx overnight.
Okay.
It's just our titles team isn't in on the weekend, so that's why I'd say Monday or Tuesday at the latest.
Okay, so that one's coming and the other one's just in process of duplicate title.
Correct, yeah. If I were you, I would call in either later tonight, around, let's say about 6, see if there's a tracking code for this one. If not, by Monday morning, we should have that.
Okay. All right, that sounds good.
Anything else I could help on?
There was something else, but it was different. But no, not right now.
Okay, all right, sounds good. All right, take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, no problem. Bye.
All right, so as you guys heard, that is kind of what we deal with on obviously a daily basis. Those are 2 customers. Both those cars have sold, so I've got them in, detailed them, listed them for sale. Both have sold, and the title still hasn't came in, so it's still with the previous person. The thing that happens is customers get mad because they think it's our issue when I haven't even seen the title yet, and it's nothing I can do, and they get really frustrated, and you try and calm them down. They have 30 days legally by law. I think some states are different, but like in Arkansas and Arizona, they have 30 days to drive that vehicle that say I sold them without registering it. So 30 days to register it. But as you heard, one of them's delayed 60 days, and the other one is delayed, I think, like 47 days. So they're well over the 30-day mark. The customer, I had to write a letter for the customer for one of them. Another one wanted me to redo the sale as a new date, which I told him I wouldn't do or I couldn't do. It's just not something that I feel safe doing. Just so the date shows different. Like if it gets pulled over, you say, hey, I bought it today or something. But I didn't do that with them. But I wrote a letter and then stamped it and stuff. But yeah, that's what we deal with on a daily basis. That's such a different video, but it's just something that if you guys want to start a car dealership, you have to think about that stuff, because if you have 30 cars, that means you need to have, a filing cabinet like one behind me with 30 titles all organized, ready to go, and it never, ever, ever goes as planned. So that's, I guess you'd say, unrealized events or unplanned, things that, it's like when you go to build a house and materials and little details start to cost more than you thought. Just if you guys want to start a car dealership, really think about that part, because a lot of dealerships have their own title lady. I'm trying to be the salesman, buy the cars. I have help with detail, do the title work, all that stuff. Right now, till I get the buyer payers out, get the cash flow going, then I'll hire someone, and then we'll scale up from there. But if you guys are wanting to start a car dealership, factor that in. Titles, they're always going to be an issue. Make sure that you're really cool with the DMV in your local town. That will save you so much. I actually bring them donuts once a month. The DMV, the revenue office. I bring the ladies donuts there. It's small town stuff. And they're like, ooh, and they love it. So I hope this video helped you guys one way or another. It's a different video, but titles, very, very, very important. I just wanted to screen record and go over with it and talk to our account manager and then go from there. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.